done everything in every department we have.
He arrived at the Trailblazer Engagement Center by DSU police escort. Touted for this event as the world's most engaged man, he traveled with 2 bodyguards and was welcomed by a crowd who wanted to know just what he does to be so engaged. So he showed them in a video.
I always engage, and when I do, it's with the TEC. Stay engaged, my friends.
Community and Global Engagement is a new division at DIXIE State University. It includes many existing departments where students can take courses and continue to learn at their own pace. It allows for engaging hands-on opportunities, even for non-traditional students ranging from ages 15 up to 100.
We provide educational opportunities for our community that are non-credit and credit. It's helping them to improve their lives and to gain their understanding of topics from art to computer programming and dance. In our ICL, we have classes really as broad as what we have here on campus.
Testimonials by students engaging in these programs were shared with those who may be interested in taking courses, but at their own leisure. One growing opportunity is for students to take classes online.
But most of our enrollments currently are on-campus students looking for some flexibility, looking for a way to fit a class into their schedule that may not work otherwise, or to work around their other demands such as work or family commitments.
Global education is offered so students and faculty can study abroad. Several scholarships were given out to faculty who plan to take their students out into the world. Steve Bai received a $1,000 scholarship to go to Nepal to study changes in the body at different altitudes.
At Everest Base Camp, we're talking about 17,500 or 18,000 feet. And so some of the hikes, the goal is to get them from sea level all the way to higher altitudes, and then to measure whether it be O2 saturation, whether it be mental capacity, whether it be blood flow or anything else, the changes that we're seeing as we're going higher and higher in altitude. And then, of course, the acclimation that we're going to experience as we're spending time out there.
The Institute for Continued Learning is for those who want to continue learning in their retirement years.
Instructors are fantastic. We have more and more classes, the variety of classes, and for $50 a year, taking all the classes you want from A to Z, I mean, you can't beat it.
DIXIE State's concurrent enrollment for students who are still in high school is perhaps one of the most popular.
We have over 2,000 students taking courses through DIXIE State's concurrent enrollment. It's a very big program and has grown rapidly over the last 3 years.
And in Hurricane, students opting for careers like EMT, police, and fire are also offered. Those who attended engaged in trivia games and learned more about the studies offered. Celebrating this newly remodeled space in the North Plaza building on campus, faculty, staff, students, and community members were excited to explore options beyond the classroom. And just like the most engaged man, they are learning to engage in new opportunities, just without the bodyguards. From DIXIE State University, Melissa Anderson, Community Education News.
Thank you, kind sir.